Today we are going to see network load balancer. It is similar to application load balancer, but you don't get that rules like path based and host name based, header based rules in network load balancer. But you can keep application load balancer behind network load balancer. Okay, so like first network load balancer and application load balancer, and behind application load balancer you can have a target groups of EC2. Okay, so let me create a load balancer. Yeah, so I'm going to choose network load balancer. Yeah, give a name demo NLB. Yeah, same internet facing IPv4. So I'm going to choose same VPC. So same availability zones. I'm going to choose all of these zones. So here you can see IPv4 address. So you will get a static IPv4 in network load balancer, which you can't get it in application load balancer. Okay, so even you can attach elastic IP address in network load balancer, that you don't get these features in application load balancer. Okay, so similarly I can attach a separate security group for NLB. So let me create a security group. Yeah, NLB hyphen demo security group. Description. So I'm going to add a rule which is HTTP. So that would be anywhere. Create security group. Yeah, security has been created. So I'm going to choose this security group here. So refresh, remove this NLB demo security group. So yeah, here in listeners you have to create a target group. So for network load balancer it would be different target group because it is a TCP port, right? So we have to create separate target group. Yeah, I'm going to choose instances NLB TG. So if you can see, I'm going to choose TCP because this is network load balancer. Here you can see used with application load balancer, used with application load balancer for HTTP and HTTPS. So when you choose these two, you can't attach this target group to application network load balancer. And if you choose this TCP, TLS, UDP, you can't attach this to application load balancer. So when you choose this protocol, TCP is for network load balancer and TLS, UDP as well. So HTTP and HTTP is for application load balancer. So I'm creating the target group for NLB. So I'm choosing TCP. So IPv4, same VPC. So health checks would be HTTP because our application is running on HTTP, right? Okay, so I will keep that and click next. So you can see no instances, but I have two stopped instances. So to add the instances in target group, instance need to be in running states. So let me start these instances. Yeah, instances are running. If you go to target group and refresh, yeah, you are able to see the instances, right? So select all the instances, and yeah, it is running on 80 port and include as pending below, so it will be added to the targets and create target group. Yeah, now NLB has been created, so it will be unused till you add this target group in the load balancer. So go to that network load balancer, so refresh this. Now you can select the NLB target group. See, you can't see that ALB target group that we created earlier, right? So that is because that is HTTP and HTTPS port. which only support for application load balancer. Okay, click this and yeah, create load balancer. Now it is provisioning, so it will take some time to become active. Yeah, load balancer status become active. Now if we check the target group, so the NLB target group become unhealthy, so you need to troubleshoot this kind of error. Okay, so why it is because we have added a application load balancer security group in EC2, right? So since we created separate security group for network load balancer, we have to add that security group in EC2 security group as well. So if you go to security, yeah, if you see this is ALB security group. Similarly, we need to add network load balancer security group as well. And we can check NLB. Yeah, save roles. Now if you go to target group and click refresh, yeah, now you can see instance become healthy in NLB target group. So if you go to load balancer and this is NLB and copy this DNS and hit this, so now we are able to access the NLB. Yeah, that's it for this lecture, guys. We will see you in next lecture. Thank you.